Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Tierra Fleming, and today we are going to be cleaning the washer machine. Yep, we are going to be cleaning the washer machine because the washing machine does not clean itself. You have to properly clean your washer. As you can see right there on the glass, is so much dirt, it's caked up because I haven't cleaned that part of the washer machine yet. So I'm going to take care of all that. And then also, if you take a look in the inside of the washer, right here on the rubber part is very, very filthy. Like, it needs to be really, really cleaned. Once I pull the rubber part back, you will see all the dirt that's lined up inside of the washer. So I need to give that a good scrub and get that cleaned as well. But guys, I'm going to clean this bad boy up. You will see. As you can see, I'm doing the good old finger swipe, and you can see all the dust on my fingertip from off the washer. So of course I'm going to give the whole washer a good old clean. It's very, very dirty. But guys, we're about to get into this video, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. This is my all-purpose cleaner. What's inside is lemon peels, rosemary, vinegar, and essential oils. And I use this all-purpose cleaner to clean every single thing, and it does the job. If you want to see how I made my all-purpose cleaner, go over to my Instagram page at Tierra_FL. I have a reel there that shows in detail how I made my DIY all-purpose cleaner. Every time you clean up, you find everything that you're looking for. Right here, this is my husband's rank, his E5 pen, which is in the washer. Supposed to be on one of his uniforms, but it was in the washer, so yeah. Now I'm going to use the Dawn Platinum Power Wash with my sponge to give this part a good scrub, because as I showed you earlier, all that gooey, clunky dirt was inside of the rubber part. So I need to give that a good old scrub and clean all of that out. Now for the glass, I'm going to use the Dawn Power Wash and also my all-purpose cleaner because I want to make sure that I get all that clunk and gooey stuff off of the glass as well. So I'm taking off the drain filter because as you can see, there's a boret stuck in there, and I'm going to try to attempt to get it out with a wire. So we'll see how that works, but I just wanted to show you guys what was stuck in there. Because if you don't take your drain filter out, you will not see what's stuck all up in there, because there are things stuck in there for sure. For the outside of the washer, I'm using the Clorox disinfecting mist to clean the top part and the front of the washer. I just noticed, guys, that I have so many scratches on the top of my washer, and I don't know where it came from. It might have came from the plants that I put on top of the washer, the things that I sit on top of it, but there are so many scratches and I'm so disappointed. So I wanted to make sure that I tidy up this area as well, because when you use bleach, laundry detergent, fabric softener, that stuff clunks up as well, especially if you never clean that up. So I'm just giving this little area a good old clean up to get rid of all that clunky, gooey stuff as well. So while I'm sitting here cleaning this little section on the washer, I have a question, guys. I want to know, how often do you all clean your washing machine? Like, do you clean it weekly, monthly, every couple months? Like, how often do you actually do a deep clean with your washing machine? Let me know in the comments section below. I'm just trying to get a few ideas on how often I should clean my washing machine, because I don't do it often. But I want to know from you guys, how often do you clean your washing machine? Now I'm giving the front part of the washer a good wipe down, and I'm gonna wipe down the top again because there were some spots that I missed. So yeah, I'm giving this a good wipe down because it was dusty and dirty, so I want to make sure that part is clean as well. So guys, we are at the end of the cleaning. I am giving this a good spray down with my all-purpose cleaner, and then next I'm going to add the Tide washing machine cleaner, which comes in a pack of 3, and I think they're about $8 to $10. I honestly forgot, but I think that's how much they are. Tide washing machine cleaner, it gets rid of odor and residue removal, so this really works well inside of front load washers and also top loader washer machines as well. I really love it. I use it all the time, especially when I'm doing a self clean, which is what I'm about to do now. That's why I'm putting the Tide inside of the washer. I believe the self clean is about 3 to 4 hours. So it's a little button on your washer. It says self clean. Also, I will have all the links of the items that I use in my description box, including my washer and dryer. I'll have the links for those as well because it is a Samsung front load washer. But yeah, everything will be in the description box of what I use in the video. I am all done. I cleaned the whole washing machine inside and out. And that's it, guys. Right now I'm putting everything back into the drawer at the bottom, and then I'm going to put everything back into our little laundry room. That may be the plant that is scratching the top part of my washer. That may be it, but it's already done. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Guys, just come back. I'll have another video for you soon. But thanks, guys, and I'll see you again.